Hi, I'm Mihur Cherishek, and I'm doing the Great Green Globs contest, and I thought I'd share it with you here today. I'll share how the program works and how it can get kids excited about doing mathematics. So, why don't we begin? So here we are at Green Globs Central, and this is a random array of globs that have come up. And the object here is to look for pattern. So what's a pattern that we see here? Well, one pattern is these two globs seem to be on the same horizontal line. So what do they have in common? Well, if I point to it, you can see that the x value is -3, and the y value is -2. And if you look over here, the y value is also -2. So let's give that a try to see if that's our first initial pattern. And sure enough, we popped two globs, and we got a score not 2 points, but 3. So you seem to get more the more globs you get. So let's see what else we can see. We can see that these two globs have probably have a equivalent x value or first name in their address. And so I could switch this to x equal, what do I say, -4. And then I can graph that equation, and sure enough, I've gotten another score of 6. Now I can continue with lines, but you can see right away that it's much more productive to draw a slanting line. And here are 4 globs, which I'll show you how we can do that. First of all, the relationships so far have been what x equaled and what y equaled, but what about when y equals x? Okay, that means that the first and last names of every ordered pair is the same, and you can see that's where the globs would live, along that line. Now I want to do it the opposite, so I'm going to put a negative in here and graph it, and you can see that now I'm in the same pattern as those particular globs, but too far south. So if I move it up 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 units along the y-axis and not change this slant, I could probably get it. Let's see if I get it. And, oh, I had it, but almost. Now what can I do? I can tweak this line a little bit so the slant is a little bit more. That you change the number in front of the x. Or I could just raise it a little bit more. What I'm going to do is just tweak it a little bit, make it less steep. Let's try 0.7 or 7/10 x instead of 1. Undo the last shot and graph it again. And notice, oh my goodness, 7 is too flat. So if I go up to 8, let's say, and undo the last shot, 0.8, and graph it again, and I got them all for a grand total of 21 points, not counting the others. Now we can continue the process, and this is what the Green Globs game is all about. And also what you can do is curve lines as well, because some of these fall along linear paths. So if you come and join the contest or continue, we will go on to part 2 and talk more about it.